We're going to start with John 12:1. This is really going to be a series in the Gospel of John in modern Hebrew. And, for me, as I was saying yesterday, I need to obviously be reading the New Testament, being in a pastoral position, but I also want to keep up with my modern Hebrew. And so it's two birds with one stone, that sort of thing. So that's what we're doing. John 12:1, the first phrase. So it begins with Shisha Yamim Lifnei HaPesach Ba Yeshua Levetanya. Okay, and we'll slow that down just in case that was a little fast. So it begins Shisha Yamim Lifnei HaPesach Ba Yeshua Levetanya. Okay, and we'll pause at the comma there. And in the modern Hebrew New Testament, we get the luxury of punctuation marks, something that is not afforded to us, properly speaking, in the Hebrew Scriptures. You do get cantillation marks in the Masoretic text, but those are not, properly speaking, punctuation marks. They can serve to indicate when punctuation may be required, but they are not, properly speaking, punctuation marks. So, all right, here we go. So let's start with the first two words, Shisha Yamim. Shisha is the masculine form of the number 6. The feminine form, which is also the counting form, would be Shesh. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Shesh would be the feminine, which is also the counting form. But here, because we're talking about 6 days, and the word days, yamim, is, the word days is a masculine plural. In the singular, it would be yom. In the plural, yamim. Okay, so we have to use the masculine form of the number 6, so Shisha Yamim. All right, so Shisha Yamim, 6 days, Lifnei HaPesach, Lifnei HaPesach. So before, Lifnei, literally, etymologically, it means to the face of, to the face of. It comes to mean before. So we just read Lifnei as if it's one word. So before HaPesach, okay, before the Passover. And you see the definite article, hey there, it has the patach, the short A vowel.